Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today our topic is keywords in Java. The keywords in Java is main part in the Java language. Primarily, I have to explain what is keywords and how keywords is used for Java language. Firstly, in Java keywords, there are reserved words that are a predefined meaning in the Java language. They form the foundation of Java syntax and cannot be used as identifiers, such as variables, method names, or class names. And there are several types of Java keywords. First one is abstract keyword. Abstract keyword is defined, specifies that a class or method will be implemented later in a subclass. And next keyword is asset. Asset describes a predicate placed in a Java program to indicate that the developer thinks that the predicate is always true at that place. And then next keyword is boolean. A data type that can hold true or false values only is known as a boolean. And next keyword is break. A control statement for breaking out of loops. So break keyword is used for this purpose. And then byte keyword, a data type that can hold 8-bit data values. Byte means bits. And then next keyword is case, is used in switch statements to mark blocks of text. And then catch keyword, catches exceptions and generated by try statements. And next keyword is char, a data type that can hold unsigned 16-bit Unicode characters. Char keyword is always used in any language in the form of characters. And then class. Class keyword is used in Java language for that purpose is declares a new class. And then constant. It reserved but not used. There are no use in constant keyword. And then continue. Sends control back outside the loop. And next keyword is default, specifies the default block of code in a switch statement. And another keyword is do, starts a do while loop. And next keyword is else, else indicates alternative branches in an if statement. And another keyword is enumber, that defined a Java keyword is used to declare an enumerated type. Enumerations extend the base class. And next keyword is extends, indicates that a class is derived from another class or any interface is known as extend keyword. And final keyword, it indicates that a variable holds a constant value or that a method will not be overridden. And another keyword is final. Finally, it indicates a block of code in a try catch structure that will always be executed. And then float keyword, a data type that holds a 32-bit floating point number. And another keyword is for, used to start a for loop. For loop's purpose, used a for keyword. And then another keyword is go to, reserved but not used. This is also reserved like a constant keyword. And another keyword is if, tests a true or false expression and branches according to implements, specifies that a class implements an interface. For this purpose, we use if keyword. And then import, references other classes instances, indicates whether an object is an instance of a specified class or implements an interface. And int, a data type that can hold a 32-bit signed integer interface. And interface declares an interfacing a data type that can hold 64-bit integer. Int can hold 32-bit and the interface is 64-bit integer. And then native specifies that a method is implemented with native, that is platform specific code. New creates a new objects. And then null, this indicates that a reference does not refer to anything package, declares a Java package. And another keyword is private, an access specifier indicate that a method or variable may be accessed only in the class. It's declared unprotected. An access specifier indicating that a method or variable may only be accessed in the class. It's declared in or okay or a subclass of the class. It's declared in or other classes in the same package. Another keyword is public. An access modifier used to classes, interfaces, methods, and variables indicating that an item is accessible throughout the application or where the class that defines it is an accessible. And another keyword is written, sends control and possibly a return value back from a called method short a data type that can hold a 16-bit integer. And the another keyword is static, indicates that a variable or method is a class method rather than being limited to one particular mm, object. Another keyword is strict FP. A Java keyword is used to strict the precision and rounding the floating point calculations to ensure the portability. And another keyword is super keyword. This is the main keyword in all keywords in Java and refers to class-based class used in a method or class constructors. Switch a statement that executes code based on a test value. And uh, other keyword is synchronized. It specifies critical section or methods in multi-thread code this. And then refer to the current object in a method or constructor throw. Creates an exception. And transistent. Another keyword is transistent. Specifies that a variable is not a part of an object persistent. Statutory starts a block of code that will be tested for exceptions. And then other keyword is void. Specifies that a method does not have a return and value volatile. This indicates that a variable may change asynchronously